How to make $1,000 a day online without investment by selling websites. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online without the need for any significant investment. One lucrative option is selling websites. With the increasing demand for online businesses, websites have become valuable assets that can generate substantial profits. In this comprehensive article, we will explore various strategies and tips on how to make $1,000 a day online without investment by selling websites. Before we dive into the details, it's essential to understand the basics of website flipping. Website flipping refers to the process of buying or building websites, improving their value, and selling them for a profit. Similar to real estate flipping, website flipping involves identifying undervalued or underperforming websites, making strategic improvements, and selling them at a higher price to interested buyers. By leveraging your skills, knowledge, and creativity, you can create a profitable business model that can generate substantial income. Now, let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process on how to make $1,000 a day online without investment by selling websites. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche. The first and crucial step in website flipping is to identify a profitable niche. A niche is a specific segment or category within a broader market that has high demand and low competition. Choosing the right niche is critical as it determines the potential for profitability and success of your website flipping venture. To identify a profitable niche, conduct thorough market research to understand customer needs, preferences, and trends. Look for niches that have a substantial target audience, high search volume, and potential for monetization. Use tools like Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, or niche research websites to gather data and insights on different niches. Once you have identified a profitable niche, narrow it down to a specific sub-niche or micro-niche. For example, instead of targeting the broad niche of fitness, you can focus on a sub-niche like yoga for pregnant women or a micro-niche like keto diet for athletes. Niche down your focus to increase your chances of success and profitability. Step 2. Acquire or build websites. After identifying a profitable niche, the next step is to acquire or build websites that cater to that niche. There are two main approaches to website acquisition: buying existing websites or building websites from scratch. A. Buying existing websites. You can purchase existing websites that are already generating traffic, revenue, and have an established online presence. There are several marketplaces and platforms where you can buy websites, such as Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Website Broker. Conduct thorough due diligence before purchasing a website, including reviewing its traffic, revenue, expenses, and overall performance. Look for websites with potential for improvement and growth to add value and sell at a higher price. B. Building websites from scratch. If you have web development skills, you can create websites from scratch. This approach requires more time and effort, but it allows you to have full control over the website's design, content, and functionality. Choose a reliable web hosting provider, register a domain name, and use a content management system, CMS, like WordPress to build your website. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and SEO-friendly content that caters to your target audience's needs and preferences. Step 3. Improve website value. Once you have acquired or built websites, the next step is to improve their value to make them more attractive to potential buyers. The goal is to increase the website's revenue, traffic, and overall performance, which in turn will allow you to sell the website at a higher price. Here are some strategies to improve website value. A. SEO optimization. Optimize the website's content and structure for search engines to improve its organic rankings and increase traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords for your niche and incorporate them into your website's content, meta tags, and URLs. Improve the website's internal linking structure, site speed, and mobile responsiveness to enhance its SEO performance. B. Content improvement. Create high-quality, engaging, and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Regularly update and expand the website's content to keep it fresh and relevant. Consider adding multimedia elements such as images, videos, infographics, and interactive features to make the website more appealing to visitors. C. Monetization strategies. Implement various monetization strategies to generate revenue from the website. This can include display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or selling digital products or services. Diversify your revenue streams to maximize your website's earning potential and make it more attractive to potential buyers. D. Social media presence. Build a strong social media presence to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, and engage with your target audience. Create and optimize social media profiles for your website on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Regularly post engaging and shareable content, interact with your followers, and leverage social media advertising to promote your website and attract potential buyers. Design and user experience. Improve the website's design and user experience to enhance its visual appeal and usability. Choose a clean, professional, and responsive design that aligns with your niche and target audience's preferences. Optimize the website's navigation, layout, and call to action buttons to guide visitors towards your desired conversion goals. Step 4. Market and sell the website. Once you have improved the website's value, the next step is to market and sell it to potential buyers. Here are some strategies to effectively market and sell your website. A. Website listings. List your website on reputable website marketplaces and platforms such as Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Website Broker. Create a compelling and detailed listing that highlights the website's key features, performance metrics, revenue, and potential for growth. Include high-quality images, screenshots, and videos to showcase the website's design, content, and functionality. B. Outreach and networking. Reach out to potential buyers in your niche through online forums, social media groups, and industry events. Build relationships with potential buyers and influencers in your niche to expand your network and increase your chances of selling your website. Utilize email marketing, cold outreach, and other networking strategies to promote your website and generate leads. C. Content marketing. Leverage content marketing to promote your website and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Create valuable and informative content such as blog posts, articles, infographics, and videos that provide insights and solutions to your target audience's pain points. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your website and generate potential leads. D. Pricing strategy. Set a competitive and realistic price for your website based on its performance metrics, revenue, and potential for growth. Consider offering incentives such as discounts, bonuses, or exclusive content to attract potential buyers. Be transparent and provide accurate information about your website's performance, traffic sources, and revenue to build trust with potential buyers. E. Negotiation and closing the deal. Be prepared for negotiations with potential buyers and be flexible in your terms and conditions. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide detailed information, and address any concerns or questions raised by potential buyers. Once you have agreed on the terms, prepare a sales agreement, and facilitate the transaction through a secure and reputable payment method. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. After successfully selling a website, you can rinse and repeat the process to scale your website flipping business and make $1,000 a day online without investment. Continuously identify profitable niches, acquire or create websites, optimize them for performance, monetize them, and market them effectively to potential buyers. Learn from your experiences and iterate on your strategies to improve your results with each website flip. As you gain more experience and expertise, you can potentially scale your operations by managing multiple websites simultaneously or by partnering with other website flippers. Conclusion. Making $1,000 a day online without investment by selling websites can be a lucrative venture if you follow a systematic approach and put in the necessary effort and dedication. Starting with thorough market research, careful website acquisition, strategic optimization, effective monetization, and targeted marketing, you can increase the value of your websites and attract potential buyers. By repeating this process and continuously improving your strategies, you can build a profitable website flipping business and achieve your financial goals. Remember, success in website flipping requires patience,